Hello, I'm Justin, and I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Voyager program from NASA. So the Voyager program is essentially a program back in 1977, and NASA built these two satellites. One was called the Voyager 1 and one was called the Voyager 2. Their basic mission was to explore the outer limits of our solar system and to explore the gas giants, because prior to that, all our understanding came from telescopes. We've never sent anything out that way, so then they made this mission. So as you can see here, this diagram that I drew up, they were both launched from Earth in 1977, and they both followed this trajectory. And in that time, there was this very specific period where these planets lined up in this certain way, and they used them to basically slingshot each Voyager with their gravitational fields, right? So they both came out, they both hit Jupiter, and they both hit Saturn. And then once Voyager 1 passed Saturn, Voyager 1 just kept going. But then Voyager 2 turned to Uranus, to Neptune, and then kept going, right? So basically, they all the pictures that you see of today, the really high definition pictures of the gas giants, came from the Voyager spacecrafts. They discovered a lot of things. One of the big things they discovered is that there's actual volcanic activity in some of these moons of the gas giants. Before that, that was something that was not known. So then, that's one thing I discovered, but then they kept extending the mission after that because they had nuclear batteries. So basically they're going to run for a very long time. So they kept extending the mission past its original end date. So more recently, they've discovered that they left this thing called a heliosheath that's part of the heliosphere. And basically it was theorized that the sun creates this bubble, kind of like the Earth creates a magnetic field that protects us from the solar rays and solar wind. So kind of the same concept. The heliosheath protects us from these cosmic rays is what they're called. It's basically radiation that's come from, theorized from supernovas and cosmic events that pretty much bombard the universe with random radiation. So they discovered that, yeah, there is this thing called the heliosheath, and there's it does protect us from the cosmic rays. So that's something that was also discovered by them, and the mission will continue for another few years. It's expected that their batteries will probably run around 2020 to 2025, depending on the instruments that they use. But till now, like, that's the farthest thing that mankind has ever sent out. So it's pretty significant. Nothing will probably beat it for a long time until we develop, I don't know, some kind of crazy mode of intergalactic travel. But yeah, they're going to continue their voyage past the heliosheath and then keep recording data from the cosmic rays just to see their composition. Thank you for watching my video presentation.